Very good morning, students. Good morning, all. Hanji beta, voice is audible. Please let me know whether voice is audible or not. बच्चे, voice is audible, everyone. Okay. Camera is okay. Voice is audible, beta. Push, everything is okay, beta. Okay. So let's start. बच्चे, today we have to discuss about coordination and response. Let's start discussion on chapter coordination and response. Hanji beta, send me your attendance, everyone. In this beta, we will discuss main nervous system, endocrine system. Nervous system and endocrine system. Let me check your attendance first. Good morning, Deepa. Good morning, Amarjit. Good morning, Jaswinder. Gurcharan. Good morning, Puneet. Good morning, Push. Good morning, Pawan. Good morning, Akshit. Total students present 7. Hanji, 7 students present right now. Okay, beta. So in this chapter, we will discuss about nervous system, endocrine system. Nervous system, we will discuss about brain. We will discuss about sense organ eye. That is very, very important. Like diagram based questions they can ask from this topic. Endocrine system, they will discuss about hormones. See, what do you mean by coordination? It is the way that all the organs and system of bodies are work efficiently together. Coordination का मतलब होता है कि like work together. ठीक है, all the organs of the body, like one organ is dependent upon other and other is dependent upon next, so all are work together efficiently. Like example, if the leg muscles are used for running, let's suppose leg muscles are used for running, they need a extra supply of glucose and oxygen. So to meet this demand, lungs breathe faster to obtain extra oxygen, and the heart pump and more rapidly to get the oxygen and the glucose to muscles more quickly. So in this example, you have seen all the organs in the body, whatever the organs are there, like they're just working together. Clear, beta? So, bache, so what do you mean by nervous system? See, to meet that demand of oxygen, then brain detect the changes in the oxygen, okay, and the carbon dioxide content of blood, and send our impulses to diaphragm, intercostal muscles, heart. In this example, coordination of the system is brought about nervous system. Clear, beta? Now, next is endocrine system. See, the extra supply of glucose needed for running that comes from liver. Glycogen is in the liver is changed to glucose, which is released into blood. So that conversion of glycogen to glucose is stimulated by other things, that hormone adrenaline. That hormone is called adrenaline. Okay, so coordination of the by chemical is brought about by endocrine system. So coordination and response we will discuss about nervous system and endocrine system. Clear? See, now the nervous system work कैसे करता है? Just by sending the electric impulse. Like जैसे current flow करता है wires के through. ठीक है, same in the same way the nervous system work by sending impulse along the nerves. Endocrine system depend upon the release of chemicals, that hormones. So what are the hormones? These are the information molecules secreted in the one part of the body, carried by the blood to another part of the body where they have to act. Clear beta? Is that clear? So bache, now hormones are carried by a bloodstream. Example, a very good example of, you can just take insulin. Insulin is carried from the pancreas to liver by circulatory system. Now nervous control mein we will discuss about nerve cell. Nervous system consists of many cells. There are so many cells called nerve cells, also called neuron. ठीक है, न्यूरॉन में क्या होता है बेटा? सी इन न्यूरॉन there are like if I'm just talking about structure of neuron. हाँ जी, स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ न्यूरॉन. ठीक है बेटा, आप इसको थोड़ा सा ज्यादा बड़ा कर सकते हैं. हाँ जी, these are called dendrites. These are called dendrites. This is cytoplasm. This is nucleus. This is axon. This is myelin sheath. And these are effectors. ठीक है, or you can say these are the this is totally, this is one nerve cell. So first of all, this is the structure of the neuron. Like one neuron is connected to another neuron, and so many, there are so many neurons and they're just connected with each other. Let's suppose this is the one neuron, this is next neuron. In this way many neurons are connected. Dendrites of one neurons are connected with the end effectors. ठीक है बेटा, in this way, not in this way they are connected, they are just connected in this way. So first of all, information is collected in the dendrites, then it will be passed to a cytoplasm of the cell, then it will be passed to axon and in the nerve end. This is called nerve ending. Nerve ending. Myelin sheath is to protect, like sudden एकदम से shock ना लगे, shock absorbing cushion है. Clear beta? This is the structure of neuron. Now come to beta types of neuron. There are different types of neuron. First of all, sensory neurons. ठीक है, first of all, what are neurons? The nervous system is made up of many nerve cells called neurons. Three types of neuron we have to discuss. First of all, motor neurons. Motor neurons carry impulses from central nervous system to muscles. यहाँ पे इफेक्ट प्रोड्यूस होता है, लाइक इफेक्टर ऑर्गन. ठीक है, सेंसरी न्यूरॉन क्या करते हैं? दे जस्ट कैरी द इम्पल्सेस फ्रॉम द सेंस ऑर्गन टू सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम. लाइक सेंस ऑर्गन है, जहां से इंफॉर्मेशन लेनी है वहां से पास करते हैं. कहाँ पे? फ्रॉम सेंट्रल टू सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम, ब्रेन या स्पाइनल कोड, वहां पे इंटरप्रिटेशन होती है. एंड मोटर न्यूरॉन कैरी इम्पल्सेस फ्रॉम सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम टू इफेक्टर ऑर्गन. Relay neuron is called intermediate neurons होते हैं. ठीक है, they are neither sensory nor motor but make connection to other neuron inside the central nervous system. like central nervous system के बीच में दोनों में connection create करते हैं. Clear बेटा? हाँ जी. Okay बेटा, now next come to what do you mean by there are two types of muscles? Muscular activity, voluntary activity, involuntary activity. Voluntary activity क्या होते हैं? Which occur with our will, and involuntary activity which occur without our will. Voluntary, like this is movement जो मेरी मर्जी से हो रहा है, this is voluntary. ठीक है. Involuntary क्या होता है? Breathing occur without my will. Respiration, excretion, circulation, all these activities comes under involuntary activities. So बच्चे, now what do you mean by reflex action? Let's suppose it is a hot cup of tea. When I just suddenly touched a hot cup of tea, I just move my hand away from it. This is called reflex action. जो मतलब हमारी मर्जी से नहीं होता, involuntary है. ठीक है. reflex action. सबसे पहले let's suppose if I enter in a room, something is burning. ठीक है. burning is what? Stimulus, जिसने रिएक्शन को इनिशिएट किया. ये रिएक्शन कैसे होती है? All these reaction, how it take place? First of all, stimulus. Like if something is burning in a room, that is called stimulus. Then information pass to receptors like nose. Nose में information गई, वहाँ पे olfactory receptors are present that detect smell. तभी पता लगा कि something is burning. So next is receptors. Information passed to receptor. Then from receptor information passed nerve cells. I already discussed the diagram. Sensory neuron. Nerve cells होते हैं, sensory nerve cell, neuron. ठीक है. Sensory neuron, it will information pass to sensory neuron. Then it will be passed to spinal cord. Because brain will take time to think, and this reflex action is an involuntary activity which always occur through spinal cord, not from brain, because brain take time think, but reflex action क्या होता है? Quick response. इसमें कोई thinking process नहीं होती, sudden reaction होता है. So information pass to a spinal cord. Clear? Then it will be passed to a spinal cord के बाद motor neuron. Then affector organ, where affect is produced, I just move out of room. ठीक है. या फिर when I touch the hot cup of tea, I just suddenly move my hand away from it. That movement away, my hand away from that cup of tea is called effect. That is done by motor neuron that produce that effect. Clear beta? So बच्चे, after this next come to that chemical acetylcholine is responsible to release that, to do that synapses. Synapses क्या होता है? Connection between one neuron to another neuron. तो जिसके बीच में chemical release होता है, that is called acetylcholine. That is called, that process is called synapses. Clear बेटा? उसके बाद now come to a sense organ eye. Sense organ eye. I discuss the main part and their functions of the sense organ eye. That is also very important. But today I discuss the content. Tomorrow I will just take quiz or question. I will ask you question related to this chapter. Clear beta? So that we can discuss everything. After tomorrow I will discuss same way transport in animal. Okay, before exam, before your half yearly exam, I will discuss 2 chapter, coordination, response and transport in animal. Clear? हाँ जी बेटा, सेंस ऑर्गन में क्या होता है? सेंस ऑर्गन में सबसे पहले आता है, कौन कौन से सेंस ऑर्गन्स होते हैं? आईज, ears, eyes, nose, tongue, skin. These are the sense organs. ठीक है. इसका स्टिमुलस क्या होता है? आईज का लाइट, ईयर का साउंड, ऑफ कोर्स या बॉडी मूवमेंट और साउंड, नोज का ऑफ कोर्स स्मेल, ठीक है, टंग का टेस्ट. And what about skin? Skin का temperature, pressure, touch, pain, all these are related to skin. Now बेटा जो eye होता है ना, इसमें जो there are different membranes like conjunctiva, humor, choroid, tear glands. Not syllabus है, but diagram में they can just give you diagram. They can ask you functions of each part. You should know at least the function of each part. That is very important. Function is very important of each part. हाँ जी. Okay बेटा, now I think I have not received any more students who are this present. If you are present, beta, send me your attendance. Otherwise, I will mark you absent. Okay, beta. After 7 students, if there is any student present, what about Harraza? Present or not, beta? Harraza? Yes, beta. Harraza, Swayam. Let me write the name of the absentees for today's absentees. Harraza, Muskan, Swayam, Gurcharan is present, beta. Gurcharan is present. 3 are again absent today. 3 students again they are absent. Mark them absent. Okay, beta, push. Send me picture of these absentees along with the date so that I just maintain record of this. 3 students absent again. Harraza, Muskan, and Swayam. Clear? Okay, beta. Now let's start discussion of the structure of the eye. See, in eye first part we will discuss about. If you please open the book page number 187, everyone. Open book page number 187. 187 page, beta, please open it. Hanji. So first of all, we will discuss about beta in exam. They can just give you diagram. They can just label the parts. You have to tell about the functions. Like first part is cornea. Yes, beta. Amarjit, what is the function of the cornea? Yes, let me know only. I want answer from the Amarjit. What is the function of the cornea? Yes, beta. Amarjit, I'm just talking with you. Give me answer. Yes, Amarjit, give me answer of this question. I got answer from the push, and Amarjit is writing the answer. Right now, I got answer from push. Push has written that cornea helps to protect eye by closing and opening. Okay, now let me see the answer between Amarjit of Amarjit. Contribute between 65 to 70% of the eye focus, but it is not exact answer. It is not the exact answer given by you. Is not exact. Cornea is a transparent curved layer at the front of eye that refract the light entering and helps to focus it. Clear? Now, beta, let me know the function of the iris. Yes, beta. What about iris? Iris is a colored ring of circular and radial muscles that control the size of pupil. Main function is control. It's cornea main create a focus and it control size of pupil. Clear, beta? Now next sense part of sense organ is lens. That is also very important. Yes, beta. What about lens? Lens is also a jelly-like structure. It is a transparent that reflect the light to focus it onto the retina. Is that clear? Now come to next part, that is a retina. Hanji. Retina is a light sensitive layer that is made up of rods which detect the light and cones which detect the different colors. Like retina क्या करता है, इसमें रोड सेल्स होते हैं, कोन सेल्स होते हैं. रोड सेल्स होते हैं जो डिटेक्ट करते हैं लाइट ऑफ लो इंटेंसिटी, बट कोन्स होते हैं लाइट विद डिफरेंट कलर्स. ठीक है. So that was about retina. Now come to a next part, that is optic nerve. That is a optic nerve. Hanji. See, optic nerve transmit electric impulses from retina to brain. It transmits electric impulses from retina to brain. Clear, beta? Now let me see your answers. Hanji, beta, retina is also sensitive to colors. Blind spot is a part in eye where no image is formed. Hanji. Beta, now come to next, that is a hormones. Main topic hormone, इसमें most important topic is adrenaline. Most important is adrenaline. But a little bit discussion is going on. I'm not going in detail because this is only a revision, and tomorrow I will ask you question related to this chapter. Clear, beta? Tomorrow I will discuss questions related to this chapter. Is that clear? Okay, beta. Now next question is, okay, beta. Let's discuss about hormones first. Okay. Wait, beta, let me discuss one questions related to eye. Then I discuss the hormone. Once, let me discuss one question related to eye with you. I'm just going to send you question. Please give me answer of this question. Hanji beta, that question I have sent you in group. That question is here. A structure of the eye is given. That is the front part of eye is given. Chicken. Here you have to tell the lens changes shape to alter the direction of light passing through eye. Name another part of eye that alter the direction of light rays. Here you have to tell. Second question you have to tell about an eye specialist measure the changes in the shape of the lens of patient during eye test. Specialists record the changes in the shape of lens with patient looking at the chart. Here diagram is given. Let me draw the diagram. Beta, give me collective answer, not one by one. Diagram is given. Hanji, now give me answer of the question. Uh, Hanji beta, you have to solve in proper way, like 1, 2, 3. I just give you 2-3 minutes time. You just solve it and send me the answer of this question. Hanji, I just give you 2-3 minutes. 2-3 minute time I have given to you. Solve this answer question. हाँ जी बेटा, give me answer of all the question. Given you 5 minute time, you can just solve it and send me answer. हाँ जी, let me see your answers. Question first, name the another part of eye that also alter the direction of light rays. Yes, you can just write the answer: cornea, aqueous humor, vitreous humor, conjunctiva. Okay. Next question is, you have to write the letter D. Show a time when the patient was looking at the chart that was 10 meter away. D में आप लिख सकते हो. Let me check the answers given by you one by one. Okay. बच्चे पुनीत ड्रॉ करके सेंड करके भेजो. You have taken answer directly from the marking scheme. It is not acceptable, बेटा. बेटा आप ड्रॉ करके फोटो क्लिक करो, देन सेंड इट टू मी. पुनीत, answer given by push is correct. Here you can just write D. Okay, not from marking scheme, but at least send the picture. Hanji, next question. Yes, beta, Pawan is also correct. Next question. State how the ciliary muscles and suspensory ligaments act to change the shape of the lens during the time marked E. You have to tell about ciliary muscles and suspensory ligament. Okay? Ciliary muscles and suspensory ligaments. Ciliary muscles contract and suspensory ligaments loose. ठीक है बेटा? Now let me check your answers. First of all, I'm just going to send Puneet answers. Yes, Puneet answers given correct. Push correct. Pawan Pawan, you have not given answer of third question. Amarjeet, yes, correct. Third answer. Akshit, not given. Gurcharan, not given. Akshit, now it is correct. Now come to next question. That is the question number 4. Outline how humans are able to see in color. हाँ जी, because cornea is a cornea में बता सी रेटिना में क्या होते हैं, कोन सेल्स होते हैं for different colors. ठीक है, that respond to different wavelength like different colors of red, green, blue that convert light into electrical signals. Clear बेटा? And brain interpret impulses in the form of the colors. Clear? ठीक है बेटा? So this is the answer of this question. You have to just little bit write about how the electrical impulses transfer कहाँ से कहाँ पे जाती है और different colors में होती है और that colors कहाँ से आते? Cone cells present in the retina. Clear beta? Now I'm just going to discuss about next question that I already discussed with you regarding nerve impulses. Nerve impulse, reflex arc. Okay beta? Push beta, I have sent you the question. In group I have sent you. Beta, in group I have sent push. You can check grade 10 IGCSE group I have sent you. Hanji beta, now solve this question. Beta, collectively give answer of all the question one by one. Hanji beta, give me answer. I'm waiting for your answers, beta. Send me answer of all the questions which I have sent to you related to reflex arc. I just give you 5 minutes time till 10:50. I want answer of all the questions, and 10:50 I just discuss the answer of this question. Then I just send you another question. Okay, beta? Hanji, beta. I think today you got the date sheet for your half yearly examination. Be prepared. There is a full syllabus. Any doubt anywhere else, you just contact your subject teachers, beta. Push, I hope you get the marks of physics also. Send me message if you got the marks of physics August examination. Okay, let's just start discussion of answer. Hanji. Question is here the reflex arc are showing involving a finger and muscles in the arm. White matter of spinal cord is given. Gray matter is also given. Ganglion is given. State two stimuli that can be detected by receptors in the finger. Yes, beta. फिंगर मतलब स्किन. स्किन में मैंने अभी बताया आज टुडे वी हैव डिस्कस टेम्परेचर, प्रेशर, पेन, टेक्सचर, टच. दिस वी कैन फील. क्लियर बेटा? Next question, using the label state the side the cell body of sensory neuron or relay neuron. Beta, send me picture of the whatever you have done. Send me picture. It is very easy. I discussed it at the start of the lesson. You just click the picture and send me. Let me check your answers. You don't need to have to label. At least you have to just mention the answer ना. Answer बताओ बेटा कि कहाँ पे है sensory neuron, किस जगह पे है, and relay neuron. You have to just tell me. Yes, just your answer given by Puneet that sensory neuron at the sharp pin, relay neuron at the gray matter. But even you can just write Puneet that are present in the sensory neurons are present in the ganglions, okay, and that is present in the gray matter of spinal cord. That is correct. Ganglion even you can write Puneet. You can just even write the answer ganglions. Okay, beta. Instead of writing the sharp pain, you can just writing the ganglions. Okay, beta. Now next is in what form the impulses transmit in the nervous system? Yes, beta. In which form the impulses are transferred in the nerve impulse? Yes, electric impulse. That is electrochemical. Electric current की form में होता है. Electrical. Clear बेटा? Electrical impulse की form में होता है. Next question. State the structure present in many mammalian neurons which reduces the leakage of the impulse. हाँ जी बेटा, myelin sheath, that is a protective sheath, act as insulating sheath, protect करती है उसको. Shock absorbing cushion, एकदम से कोई shock लग जाता है protect करके रखती है. Next, the impulses take 0.02 seconds to pass from finger to spinal distance 1.5 meter. Calculate the speed of impulse, show your working. You have to just calculate the speed. Now let me check your answer. हाँ जी. हाँ जी बेटा, what is the formula of speed? In physics you have done it beta. What is the formula of speed? What is the formula of speed beta? Yes, it is distance upon time. So you have to calculate speed is distance upon time. So beta, as per the question statement given, you have to just tell about speed is given that 1.5 meter, distance is 0.02. Clear beta? So what is the answer beta? Let me check your answer. That is 75 meters per second. Clear beta? And most of the students, they have given correct answer. Next question now. Although total distance the impulses travel in the reflex arc is less than 3 meter, the time taken is this. Why time taken is more than expected? मतलब ज्यादा क्यों लगा जितना एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं? Let me check your answers. Yes beta, give an answer of D. I have not received. I have not received answer of D part from any student. Please give me answer. हाँ जी बेटा. Let me check your answer. It takes time to release impulses, and in contact of neuron, it takes time to release impulse. Answer given by Akshit. Hanji Pushp, you have not given answer because there is a gap between them. Synapses between them. So it will take time. इससे distance increase हो जाता है. Clear? This is the exact answer, beta. Now next question. Describe what would happen to muscles and arm when muscle V receive the nerve impulse, and how muscles V return to its original position. Yes, beta. See, V muscles, that is a biceps contract, जिसमें क्या होता है, जिस लाइक द आर्म्स होते हैं, ये बेंड करते हैं, पुल करते हैं स्टिमुलस से. एंड द सेकंड वन इज दैट मसल्स नॉट आइडेंटिफाई. दिस इज ट्राइसेप्स मसल्स, opposing muscles, ठीक है, that relax. Clear? जिससे क्या होता है, when V relaxes, that cause contraction of W muscles. That cause contraction of W muscles. Okay, beta. Now I'm just going to discuss the next question. Very, very interesting question. I'm just going to discuss with you. Going to send you. You can just send me answer after class also if time is over. You just start solving it, beta. Hanji, beta. Question is, Ahmad entered a very dark room. His iris responded by changing the pupil size, and gradually he could see shapes of objects in the room. Dust in the air made him sneeze. Suddenly, a door slammed shut, causing his heartbeat to speed up. He switched on the light to find the door, and he grabbed the door handle. You have to complete the table. You have to just complete the table by stating 2 voluntary actions and 3 involuntary actions describing in the text given. Please let me know. Hanji beta, give me answer of this question. Hanji beta, send me answer. You can send me later on also. After the class, you can send the answer, beta. Puneet have sent the answer. Only but 2 answers he has sent. I want answer from all for all the questions. Hanji beta, what about other student? I got two answer from Amarjit also. Post, where are you? Why you are not sending the answer beta? Gurcharan, Pavan, I have not received any answer from your side except one answer. Hanji beta, Pavan, why you are not sending answer? Okay, let me discuss the answer of this question. Time is less, so beta, I will just send you the answer in group. I will just send you answer of this question in group. You can just cross check. First, you can just solve it. Tomorrow, I discuss the topic endocrine system and I discuss some questions related to this. More questions related. We will just continue same chapter tomorrow with tropic responses, diabetes, very very important, vasoconstriction, vasodilation, and all the hormones, especially adrenaline, because this is a very very important. I just send you answer of this question in group. You can just cross check the answer. Okay, beta. I just send you the answer in group. Now I think I have to just leave because you are also having class. Thank you, beta. Goodbye. Have a nice day. Please be prepared for your exam. Half yearly exam. There will be a different link. Don't get confused. For paper 4, there will be different links. There will be different links for 2 links for physics, 2 for chemistry, 2 for bio. You have to solve all the links and please बहुत ही ध्यान से पिक्चर को अपलोड करना, गलत मत अटैच करना. You will lose marks otherwise. Thank you very much. Have a nice day, beta.